Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Student Supportomatic. Like, share my video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Matrices. Equality of matrices. Today in this video we will study about equality of matrices. Equality of matrices, that is two matrices A is equal to Aij and B is equal to Bij. This Aij and Bij are general form of matrices. Aij and Bij are said to be equal if they are of same order. Matrix A and matrix B must be of same order, and each element of A is equal to the corresponding element of B. So if the element in the position in the position 1 1 in matrix A is having some value, that element must be same as the element in the matrix B in the position 1 1. Means the elements, each and every corresponding elements must be equal in two matrices. That is Aij is equal to Bij for all ij. That is the value of matrix A in the position 1 1 must be equal to the value, the element in the matrix B at the position 1 1. And in the matrix A, the element in the position 1 2 must be equal to the same as in the matrix B in the position 1 2. Okay, let's see the examples, then we clearly understand about this. See here are two matrices. So these two matrices are equal because in the position 1 1 the element 2 is same as in the second matrix in the position 1 1. That is the first element is the position 1 1, second element is position 1 2, and the second row, that is 2 1 and 2 2. Okay, this is 2 cross 2 matrix. First condition, the order of one matrix is equal to the order of second matrix. These two matrices are 2 cross 2 matrices. They are equal. Next condition, the corresponding element must be equal. So in the position 1 1 it is 2, and the second matrix in the position 1 1 it is 2, and 3 is equal to 3. 0 is equal to 0 and 1 is equal to 1. So all corresponding values are same. So these two matrices are equal. But see here, the same elements, the number, the order is same, the elements are same, but they are not equal, because in the here 3201 and 2301, that's having the elements same, but the position 1 1 here the element is 3, but in the second matrix it is 2. These two elements are not same, therefore this is not equal. But the second row is same, 0 1 0 1, but the first row is different. It is 3 2 in first matrix, in the second matrix it is 2 3. They are not equal, so they are not same, so these two matrices are not equal. Let's see the one more type of equality of matrices. Here it is given that they are equal. Okay, so x y z a b c, these values, this matrix is equal to one matrix that having values minus 1.5 0 2 square root of 6 3 and 2. Okay, so these two matrices equal, it is given. If these two matrices are equal, then we will clearly say that x is equal to minus 1.5. X is unknown value, so by the condition they are equal, we get that x is equal to minus 1.5, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 2, and a is equal to square root of 6, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 2. That is, we are comparing the corresponding elements. We are comparing the elements in the same position in two matrices. So x is at the position first, so the first number is equal to the x value. So y is in the 1 2 position, first row and second column. So we'll compare the same element in the second matrix, that is first row and second column. So that is what? 0. So this is the equality of matrices. Now we'll solve one problem on equality of matrices. Here given, if x plus 3, z plus 4, 2y minus 7, minus 6, a minus 1, 0, b minus 3, minus 21, 0. So this matrix is equal to one matrix. The second matrix is given. If these two matrices are equal, find the values of a, b, c, x, y and z. Let's we find it. So solution, as the given matrices are equal, their corresponding elements must be equal. This is the condition of the equality of matrices, right? So if they are equal, their corresponding elements are equal. So it is given that they are equal, so their corresponding elements are also equal. So we'll write, comparing the corresponding elements, we will write x plus 3 is equal to 0. See here, x plus 3 is equal to 0 because this is the corresponding element of x plus 3. Second is z plus 4 is equal to 6, and third is the 2y minus 7 is equal to 3y minus 2. Is it? So next, a minus is our minus 6 is equal to minus 6. The elements are same. So next is a minus 1 is equal to minus 3, and 0 is equal to 2c plus 2. B minus 3 is equal to 2b plus 4, and minus 21 is same as minus 21. 0 is 0. They are equal. Now we get 6 equations here. By using these equations, we will find the values of a, b, c and x, y, z. So here we are considering these equations one by one. First we will take x plus 3 is equal to 0. X plus 3 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 0 minus 3. Is it? X is equal to 0 minus 3. So 0 minus 3 is what? Minus 3. So we get x is equal to minus 3. Okay. So now we will consider the second equation, z plus 4 is equal to 6. So when z plus 4 is equal to 6, then z is equal to 6 minus 4. So z is equal to what? 6 minus 4 is 2. So z is equal to 2. So next equation, that is 2y minus 7 is equal to 3y minus 2. Here we are having the variable y in both equations, in both sides. So what we will do, we will collect the similar terms one side, that is 2y, y element in a LHS part and constants in the RHS part, that is 3y minus 2y is equal to 2 minus 7. So by solving this 3y minus 2y, we get y, and 2 minus 7 is a minus 5. So y value is what? It is minus 5. Now next equation is a minus 1 is equal to minus 3. Then a is equal to minus 3 plus 1. So we get a is equal to minus 2. Next equation, 2c plus 2 is equal to 0. So 2c plus 2 is equal to 0 means 2c is equal to 0 minus 2. That is minus 2. 0 minus 2 is a minus 2. Then c is equal to minus 2, that's divided by 2. So then we will get it is minus 1. So c value is what? It is minus 1. 2c is equal to minus 2. Then c is equal to 2c by 2. Then c is equal to minus 1. We get the value of c as minus 1. Next, the last equation, b minus 3 is equal to 2b plus 4. 2b, we will collect the b element in the LHS part. Then it is 2b minus b, that is equal to minus 3 minus 4. So 2b minus b is what? B, that is equal to minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7. So we get the value of b as minus 7. So here by solving these equations, we get x, y, z and ABC values. Next problem, find the values of the similar problem. Find the values of ABC from the following equation. that is here the matrix is given, it is 2 cross 2 matrix. So we have to find out A, B, C and D values. Okay, so the solution, first we will write the given matrices as it is, then by comparing the corresponding elements we get 4 equations. 2a plus b is equal to 4 and a minus 2b is equal to minus 3, 5c minus d is equal to 11 and 4c plus d is equal to 24. This is the equation 4. Okay, so each equation is denoted as equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now we'll find the solving these equations. So first we will consider first two equations, equation 1 and equation 2, because each equation is having two variables. So we have to solve the two equations to get the values of two variables. So we'll consider first two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. So 2a plus b is equal to 4 and next equation is 2a minus 2b is equal to minus 3. So these are the linear equations. To solve these equations, so we have to make the constant coefficient of variable as same. Any one variable's coefficient must be same. So in the first equation 2a plus b is equal to 4. In the second equation a minus 2b is equal to minus 3. We have two options. One, we will multiply the equation 2 with 2 to make the variable coefficient of variable a as same, or else we will multiply the equation 1 by 2, then we will make this coefficient of the variable b as 2. So first we will these two options, we will select any one. So I will multiply the equation 1 by 2. Okay, so the second equation remains as it is same, means it is multiplied by 1. So 2a plus b is equal to 4, that is multiplied by 2, it becomes 4a plus 2b is equal to 2. So each variable, each coefficient is multiplied by 2. So next equation, it is multiplied by 1. So all coefficients remains same, all values remain same. Here in these equations, plus 2b and minus 2b that get cancelled. So next we will get 5a is equal to 5, because 2b plus 2b and minus 2b get cancelled. Remaining is 4a plus a is equal to 5a, that is equal to 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Then a is equal to 5 by 5. So a value becomes 1. Okay, so by using this a value, we will substitute this a value in any one equation of these two equations, either in equation 1 or in equation 2. We'll substitute, we will take any one equation and we'll substitute this value in one equation, then we will get the value for b. So see here, 2a plus b is equal to 4. So when substitute the a value as 1, 2 into 1 is a 2, plus b is equal to 4. So b is equal to 4 minus 2 and b is equal to 2. We get the value of b. So a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2. So similarly, next we will consider the equation 3 and 4. Using the equation 3 and 4, we will solve it and we will get the value for c and d in the same way. So 5c minus d is equal to 11, 4c plus 3d is equal to 24. So here we will multiply the equation 3, means in these two equations, the first equation will multiply by 3, second equation will multiply by 1. Means the coefficient of d is 3. So we're multiplying the first equation by 3. The coefficient of d is 1 in first equation. So we're multiplying that second equation by 1. So by solving it, we get 15c, that is 3 5s of 15c minus 3d is equal to 33. And 4c plus 3d is equal to 24. Here the coefficient of d becomes same. So they get cancelled. And 19c, 15c plus 4c is equal to 19c, which is equal to 33 plus 24 is 57. So C is equal to 57 by 19. So C is equal to 3. We get the value of C as 3. So next, substituting this value in any one of the equation, then we will get the value for D. So 5C minus D is equal to 11. 5C value is 3. 5 into 3 minus D is equal to 11, and that is 15 minus D is equal to 11. So minus D is equal to 11 minus 15, that is minus D is equal to minus 4. Both, if minus D is equal to minus 4, then D is equal to 4. Both negative get cancelled. So D is equal to 4. So for this problem, using 4 equations, we get the value for A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3, and D is equal to 4.